Okay, let's have a look at ratio. Ratio is basically just comparing two numbers or quantities of the same kind. So say, for instance, we want to know in a class, how many boys are there to all the girls. So for instance, if for every 2 boys, there are 3 girls, we write it as a ratio of 2 to 3. Let's have a look at this in more depth. They're often going to ask you to simplify a ratio. Just like fractions, we want to simplify the ratio so that it's much easier for us to work with. It's not necessary to always have these big numbers. If we had a fraction, for instance, 18 over 27, and we wanted to simplify that, I hope you can remember, we see which number we can divide both the numerator and denominator with. This one will be 9. We can divide 18 by 9 and 27 by 9. If we simplify that, 18 divided by 9 is 2, 27 divided by 9 is 3. We can do exactly the same with our ratios. We have to find out which number we can divide both sides by. So in this instance, we've got the ratio of 18 to 27, and we know that we can divide 18 by 9 and 27 by 9. 18 divided by 9 is 2, and 27 divided by 9 is 3. So there's our simplified ratio, 2 to 3. Okay, we have to share a number now in a certain ratio. So say, for instance, we've got 32 sweets, and we want to share it in a ratio of 3 to 5. That means for every 3 that John gets, Susan will get 5. The first thing that we'll have to find out or figure out is how many sweets there are in one portion. Now you can see that for every 3 that John's going to get, Susan's going to get 5. So we add them together to see how big one portion is. So that portion that they need to get together is 8. But there are 32 sweets. There aren't just 8 sweets. So let's divide 32 by 8. And our answer 4 means that one piece of the pie, or one piece of that proportion, is 4. Now it's very simple. We know that John gets 3 for every 5 that Susan gets, and one of them is worth 4 sweets. So then we have to say 4 times 3 for John, and 4 times 5 for Susan. So John will get 12 sweets and Susan will get 20 sweets. If we add them together, you'll see we're back at 32, the same as we started off with. So we divided it correctly in that ratio, 12 to 20. Okie dokes, this video was made by Shati Education. Please go to our website, shatieducation.com. We've got lots of resources there, and you can even organize a real teacher to be your tutor. We do it online as well as come to your house. Send us a mail or go to our website for some more information. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. It really helps us. We're trying to get some subscribers, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up.